Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Ujan and welcome back to another awesome video. I know I'm late, actually extremely late, but it's because I was working on a big project. I will not tell you guys what that's going to make some suspense. So today I'm going to show you how to make Ant-Man night lamp. Let's go. So to make it, you will need cardboard boxes, glue, sketch pens, a light source, scissors, cutter, pencil, ruler, white paper, and finally your hands. So first take a rectangular box and measure 5 mm from every side. Join all the marks to make a rectangular shape. Now let's cut it. Done. Now we have to cut these two flaps. After that, trim this part like this. Now take a white paper and draw whatever you want. I'm gonna draw Ant-Man, so let's draw. Done. Now if you want the original picture, then the link is in the description box. Now let's color it with sketch pens. So far the picture is looking great. You have to make sure that the picture is smaller than the cavity, otherwise it will not fit in this. Now turn around the box, place it on the picture and mark the borders. Now let's cut it out. Wow! Now take the box, open the lid and make a slit. Next take your light source and stick it inside using white glue. Leave it to dry for 10 minutes. After drying, through the wires from the slit. Now seal the lid. Then take another box and make a slit on the top. Stick the picture on the box, but make sure that the wires are in the bottom side. Take both of them and through the wires again from the slit, something like this, and now stick the box. Right now it's looking really good. Now all we need to do is give it power. Now open the lid, get a 9-volt battery and attach it with the connector. Put the battery inside the flat box and close the lid, and voila! We have our amazing Ant-Man night lamp. Lights off please. It looks very good in the dark. So that's how you can make an Ant-Man night lamp. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe and tell me in the comments that what should I make next. Also share your night lamp on my Instagram and the link is in the description box. Till then, take care everybody and bye bye.